In this video, you will learn how to assemble a pot and pan rollout kit.
To assemble this cabinet, you will need the following tools and supplies: a power drill equipped with a Phillips head bit or a Phillips head screwdriver, a dead blow hammer or rubber mallet, and a staple gun. While an air-powered pneumatic staple gun will make the job easier, you can also use an inexpensive manual staple gun. We tested the Aero Model T50 heavy-duty staple gun with success, and this model can be found for under $20 at most hardware stores. You'll also need the appropriate 3/8 or 10mm staples for your staple gun, as well as a bottle of wood glue, which will form the primary bond that holds your cabinet together.
Start off by applying wood glue to all of the dovetail joints and dowel holes. If you apply too much wood glue, simply wipe off the excess with a damp cloth. Insert the dowels into the pre-drilled holes as shown. Determine the proper orientation and then insert the side panels into the dovetail joints. Use a dead blow hammer or rubber mallet to ensure that the sides are flush. Secure the seam with staples. Next, apply wood glue into the pre-drilled dowel holes in the shelves. Then, insert the shelves onto the dowels on the side panel. Remember that these shelves are designed to be tilted slightly backwards so that items do not slide off of the shelves when the shelf is slid in and out of the cabinet. Slide the other side panel into place along the dovetail joints. Once again, use a dead blow hammer or rubber mallet to ensure that the seam is flush, and then finish it off with some staples. Now you can slide the bottom shelf into place. Next, apply wood glue into the dovetail joints on the remaining front panel piece. Slide the front panel into place along the dovetail joints and ensure that everything is flush. Then use your rubber mallet or dead blow hammer to make sure you have a good fit, and then finish it off with staples. Be sure to wipe off any excess glue before it dries with a damp cloth. Now you're ready to install the 6 included screws in the pre-drilled holes on the back side of the rollout. When installing the drawer slides, a scrap piece of toe kick material comes in handy for elevating the rear of the glide so that it aligns correctly. Measure the gap between the rail and the side of the cabinet on the front and back to make sure that it is equal. Once you are sure that it is properly aligned, screw the drawer slide into place. Once you've got both drawer slides installed, you can lower the pot and pan rollout kit onto it. The rollout kit can be quite large, so it could be helpful to have a second pair of hands available to help you. The tabs of the rails should slide up into the pre-drilled holes.